Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to highlight text in Apple Notes. First, open the Notes app on your device. Go to the note where you want to highlight some text. Tap on the note to start editing. Now, select the text that you want to highlight by pressing and holding on the word. Drag the selection handles to cover the entire section you want. On newer versions of Apple Notes, you can tap the format icon, which looks like an AA symbol at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to open the formatting menu. From here, you can choose text color and pick a highlight shade. Once you select the color, the text will change immediately. You can use different colors for different sections of your notes. This makes it easier to organize and review information later. When you are done, tap the Done button in the top right corner to save changes. Your highlighted or formatted text will stay in place. That is how you highlight text in Apple Notes. Thanks for watching.